In this problem, we're told that the class mean is 69, the standard deviation is 4.3, and it asks us to calculate the z-score to 2 decimal places for a person who received a score of 82. The z-score represents the number of standard deviations a value is away from the center. You can find it by taking the value, subtract the center, or the mean or the average, divided by the standard deviation. So for this problem, the value that we're checking is 82. The average, or the center, is 69, and the standard deviation is 4.3. I'm going to type this into my calculator. And when I type it into my calculator, I need to make sure that I have parentheses around the top of this expression. So 82 minus 69, oops, close that parenthesis, divided by 4.3 gives me approximately 3.02 for my z-score. So this tells me I'm 3 standard deviations away from my center. If I don't include the parentheses, it only divides that last number by that 4.3. So notice that gives me a value that looks like way, way too big. I want to make sure that all of that, both the 82 and the 69, are being divided by the 4.3. So I need to make sure I either have parentheses around the top, or I need to do the top on its own. So 82 minus 69. And then I could divide that quantity by 4.3. So you need to make sure that you're either using parentheses on the top or break it up as 2 steps. Do the top on its own and then divide it by the denominator. If a value is more than 2 standard deviations away, it's considered unusual. So if you have a z-score that's more than 2, I would say that's unusually high. If you have a z-score that's less than -2, I would say that's unusually low. In this case, with my z-score of 3.02, I would say it's unusually high. Let's check out some more problems together here.